In the ever-evolving landscape of smart home technology, the iRobot Roomba 694 emerges as a beacon of efficiency, seamlessly blending sleek design with cutting-edge features to offer a hands-free cleaning experience. If you're ready to elevate your home maintenance game, read on to discover why the Roomba 694 deserves a prime spot in your living space. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications. Clean smarter with effortless precision. The Roomba 694 isn't just a vacuum, it's a smart cleaning companion designed to align with your lifestyle. Effortlessly integrated into your daily routine by scheduling cleaning sessions through the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and unlock the potential for effortlessly clean floors. Loosens, lifts, and suctions for a thorough clean. Equipped with a powerful 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes, the Roomba 694 takes on the challenge of dirt on both carpets and hard floors. The edge sweeping brush ensures no nook or cranny is left untouched, making it the ideal solution for comprehensive cleaning. Learns your life, listens to your voice, adapting to your cleaning habits. The Roomba 694 becomes a personalized cleaning assistant, crafting schedules that align with your routine. Thanks to compatibility with Google Assistant and Alexa, initiating a cleaning session is as simple as a voice command, adding a new layer of convenience to your cleaning routine. Adaptive navigation for seamless maneuvering. Say goodbye to the days of tangled cords and bumped furniture. The Roomba 694 boasts adaptive navigation, utilizing advanced sensors to gracefully navigate under and around furniture, along edges, and avoiding the perils of stairs with Cliff Detect technology. Senses and eliminates dirt with precision. Equipped with Dirt Detect sensors, this intelligent robot identifies dirtier areas in your home, prioritizing high-traffic spots for a more thorough clean. This precision ensures that every corner of your home receives the attention it deserves. Cleans around your life. The Roomba 694 doesn't just clean, it adapts to your life. Learning from your cleaning patterns, suggests additional cleanings during high pollen periods or pet shedding seasons, ensuring your home remains a comfortable and clean haven. Automatically recharges for uninterrupted service. With a runtime of up to 90 minutes, the Roomba 694 tirelessly works to keep your home clean before automatically docking and recharging. This ensures that your cleaning assistant is always ready for the next session. In conclusion, the iRobot Roomba 694 isn't just a vacuum, it's a smart cleaning solution tailored to your needs. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications and discover why your home deserves the Roomba 694. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.